Izzy! Hi!
Hi! You caught me in mid-stupidity.
I know. So we are here. Our buddy here, Joey here. He's here on special assignment. Doesn't he look like a reporter? Yes, he does. Yes, he does. Here's Mitch.
What's up?
Doa.
Yo, yo.
Journey. Chris. And then our point man's somewhere over there. Guys, how do you guys feel about today? Mitch, how do you feel about today?
Feel good?
Feel good?
Feel God's here with us.
That's good. That's good. Doa?
Many moons from now, we'll look back and have a good laugh.
It's an inside joke. Chris, how do you feel about today?
Yeah.
Journey? Hi. How do you feel?
I feel good.
Izzy, how do you feel about today?
I feel good. I'm tired.
Joey, how do you feel? You're the guest. You're our guest today.
I feel very good.
That's what I said.
Yep, and we'll go inside real quick. Check out the team. There they are, jamming. Happy day, play happy day. Isn't that cool? It is pretty cool. Yep. Yeah, we're here. Just kind of waiting for our time. Oh, and there's. Oh, look who happened to show up. The appointment. Oh, Rich. Nope. Come here. Come here. No. No. Rich, why would you do that to me? No. 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 See you later.